Samsung's One UI 7.0 update was initially expected last week, but has been delayed. The beta update is now anticipated later this month, though Samsung hasn't officially confirmed this. A significant leak from Ice Universe, shared on Weibo and reported by Android Authority, revealed several new features in One UI 7.0. These include redesigned system application icons, an updated background interface, a new control area on the lock screen, customizable shortcut icons, and independent pull-down shortcut and notification panels. Additional features include improved animations, a new battery icon, an updated camera interface, 5G SMS support, new desktop and lock screen widgets, and large folders. Samsung is expected to launch the beta for the Galaxy S24 series in countries like China, Germany, India, South Korea, the UK, and the US. However, release plans may still change. As of August 3rd, details remain unconfirmed.